In an open letter, Amazon's Jeff Bezos reassuring his workers and 100 million customers this morning that safety from COVID-19 is his top priority, writing in part, "We've implemented a series of preventative health measures for employees and contractors, from increasing the frequency and intensity of cleaning to adjusting our practices in fulfillment centers to ensure the recommended social distancing guidelines." To meet exploding demand, Amazon is also hiring 100,000 new workers, ordering millions of face masks, and offering any employee who tests positive 2 weeks paid leave. But with nearly 1 million delivery drivers on the job across dozens of companies, just how safe are those packages arriving at your door?
There's no cleanliness at all, but we're essential. Now they're telling us we're essential.
Philadelphia UPS hub worker Richard Hooker says his company is prioritizing delivery speed over sanitation.
No soap, no hand sanitizer. Could someone have it? Is the package contaminated?
In a statement, UPS stresses it's disinfecting its facilities and vehicles daily, providing sanitizing supplies to all drivers, and telling sick employees to stay home. Similar policies also in effect at FedEx and the U.S. Postal Service. While the CDC says the risk of infection from delivered packages is likely very low, a recent study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found the virus was detectable up to 24 hours on cardboard, though researchers say no COVID-19 cases have been linked to contact with packages. Even so, infectious disease experts recommend leaving packages outside for a day if you can.
We leave our mail overnight.
The Roman family, who are related to an NBC News producer, also disinfect their groceries and delivered food packages before opening. Then always wash their hands.
We want to do everything that we can do that's thoughtful and sensible to protect our family.
And they are doing the right thing. This morning, Amazon tells NBC News they established the Amazon Relief Fund with a $25 million initial contribution to support the independent delivery service partners and their drivers. Now, to help with social distancing, UPS and FedEx have stopped requiring in-person signatures for most of their package deliveries. Hoda.
Oh, my gosh, that's great advice. A lot of people are going to need that coming up. All right, thank you so much.